We all know the kids love chicken nuggets, and let's be honest, plenty of parents love them too. So what I'm going to show you today is an easy, quick and healthier alternative to chicken nuggets that you can make at home for dinner tonight with no fuss. What we're going to need is 400 grams of chicken thigh fillets cut up into beautiful nugget-sized pieces, 2 eggs whisked, some panko breadcrumbs or Japanese breadcrumbs because they're nice and crunchy, some parmesan cheese to mix in with that, and our spices, which are paprika, turmeric for colour and salt obviously for flavour. So let's get to it. First, mix your spices with your panko crumbs to combine. Then add your parmesan cheese to the mix. After that, it's time to coat your nuggets. Simply dip your chicken pieces one at a time into the whisked egg, then coat the pieces in the crumb mixture, making sure you get a nice even covering, shaking off any excess and placing the chicken pieces on a lined oven tray with a drizzle of olive oil. And those are our chicken nuggets ready to go into a preheated 180-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're nice and crunchy. And while they're in there, we're going to make some aioli. First up, you're going to need an egg yolk. Then we're going to pop in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and we're going to whip the two together. Once they've come together, we're going to add some rice bran oil and some olive oil. Now the combination of the two is important because if you use all olive oil, you can end up with a very, very strong flavour, where the rice bran oil is just a carrier oil and you have about 285 mils of each, but you'll see the texture change as you go. Once they've been whipped together, we can add some garlic and some salt, finish it off with some lemon juice and pepper, and if you're feeling really cheeky, a nice finishing touch is something like some truffle oil, just for that extra kick. Now it's time to serve those perfect little bites. Forget the kids, that's what I'm having for dinner.